School, attention!
A very warm morning to one and all respected father, members of the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and you all my dear Bosconians. Myself, Sivaputra Dupia, first class reading, standing in front of you to go today's morning assembly. Bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. Each with his power that open, each with his word that saves. He made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings. Country, all Indian song. My brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I'm proud of history, and where I hate it. The importance of the day in history. January 25 is the 25th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar, and 340 days remain until the end of the year. On this day, in 1348, a strong earthquake struck the south and far region of Friuli in modern Italy, causing considerable damage to buildings as far as Rome. And this is Rosario Class TV, standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic of social media. Social media is an online platform where we can share our thoughts, information, pictures, etc. We use it in our day-to-day life. It has become an integral part of our life. Social media has both advantage and disadvantage. I would like to mention the advantage was the biggest benefit of social media. Its people can sell things like books, clothes, etc. I am Adusri Salwar from class 3C. Today I am going to tell the point. Jatiya Patoka. Tini Boroniya Jatiya Patoka. Nila Kakot Nase. Upare Geruwa Majat Hukula Tolat Shyamo Nase. Bogar Majat Akhuk Sakra Sipcha Hilikiron. Amar Jatiya Patoka Koni Kodati Nahoy Kya. Thank you. My name is Bulbul Sarman from class 3C. Standing here in this morning assembly to tell you today's thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is the best way out is always slow. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Good morning to all of you. I appreciate and thank the class 3C students for conducting the assembly really well. They have begun well, so I appreciate them for the hard work and the effort they have put in conducting the assembly. Children, once an elderly contractor was about to retire from his work, and the engineer, since he's an elderly man and about to retire, he thought of making him to construct a large, beautiful house. So he called the contractor and said, so you are about to retire, therefore make one large, beautiful house. You can use any kinds of material, the best materials available, whether it is marbles or tiles or whatever quality you want, you can use it. But then you please make sure that you construct the best house that you have ever made. And so the contractor was happy. He thought himself then, okay, this is my last chance to make money. So instead of using the best materials that are available, I will use some cheap items so that I can save some money.
School, attention!
Good morning. I would like to welcome you all to this beautiful day. I am Bharati Vaidyan from class 3 and I am going to host this morning assembly. Prayer means the purification of one's soul. So I would like to request my classmates to come forward and start this beautiful day in the church song. Pita
Good morning to all of you. In terms of education, the course of education it's a successful lifetime. Sometimes we think education is a course of education is very difficult because early morning we have to get up, there is uniform in the lot of homework, every now and then exams, and then sometimes we feel very difficult. We get very tired and we even be unwilling to cooperate with the parents and teachers. So sometimes we feel like giving it up because we feel getting education is very tough and we don't want. But then children, it's a normal part of life. It was more difficult because lack of conveniences, lack of facilities. We should not think it as difficult. We should consider it as a process. Now you work hard, now you prepare, and then that will be the base for you to have a successful and good life.
School, attention!
My name is Kiruna from class 3, sending to you to conduct the morning assembly. All Indian sir, my brothers and sisters, I love my country and I'm proud of history, heritage, culture, language, and religion. Today, 19th January or 19th January 1966, India suddenly became Prime Minister of India. On 19th January 1597, Pontiac was died. On 19th January 1946, Dolly Parker was born. Thank you. Myself also of class 3 standing in front of you to say today's song of the day. Today's song of the day is Education is the foundation of success. Thank you.
I'd like to thank the class 3 BPP for conducting the assembly really well. It is done well, all of them did a good job. Starting with handling onwards, it was really done well. And I feel that it is like a lot of initiative and preparing them well. So congratulations also goes to them. They excel in what they do, while others not able. Is it because others are having more IQ? In some cases, it is not the case at all. It's about because some of them are capable of preparing nicely for the exams and other things. It is not only because they are highly intelligent than you or more smarter than you. It's not only because of that. It's also because it depends on how they prepare for the exams. Maybe when we prepare, two things are really important. One is the time, the study setting, the room that you sit in the study. It's important that you make sure that you keep away all distracting, like the computer or keeping away from the TV or mobiles and things like that. So once you are in the room, you should make sure that no distractions are there.
School, attention!
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sattva Karma Pratamo Saraswati, Guru Deva Namo. A very wonderful good morning to us and all present here, respected fathers, teachers, and all my dear audience. I am good morning from class 3, presenting to this morning assembly. You are
degree group of Bosconians Glorious. Well, children, once one of the students asked Socrates, as we know, is a world famous, one of the world famous philosophers. And one of the students asked me, sir, what is the secret to success? Socrates took him to a nearby pool and hold his head under the water for some time. And the boy was struggling for breath. And even then, Socrates did not leave him. He held his head under the water for a long time. And the boy was really struggling for breath. And then, when the boy was so desperate, Socrates let him out of the water. And then he said, the way you were struggling for breath, that much desire, if you want to achieve things in life, then definitely you will succeed.
Yes, I think the Ryan of class 3B presenting today's morning assembly. Prayer is the key of the day and look of the night. Let us start our day with a prayer. So I would like to call our prayer group to sing a prayer song.
I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied culture, language and religion.
Myself is Shapuri from class 3 and I am here to say importance of the day. The day anniversary of Guru Prasad Agarwala is celebrated in Assam on this day. He was a poet, dramatist, composer, dream-maker, freedom fighter. His death anniversary is celebrated as Heritage Diwali. 17th January is celebrated as the birth anniversary of L.V. Prasad, who was a dream-maker. I am Dorothy Baidu from class 3B, standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic punctuality. Punctuality is being on time or completing something on time. The main thing is time management. Nothing can stop the flow of time or call back the time that is past. So, it is most valuable thing. In order that no portion of this priceless thing may be wasted, people fix that need hours for that need work.
Everyone, my name is Shankar from class 3B. Today I am going to say thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is happiness is the only thing that multiplies when it's sharing.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate the class 3B group for conducting the assembly really well. I found they have prepared well, and appreciation goes to the class teacher as well for preparing them and making them to do well. Because all what they did was really good to the standard of class 3. It was very heartening to see that they are doing well. So congratulations to the whole group. Suppose you want to watch some YouTube channels or to use the social media like WhatsApp or Instagram or YouTube, or I can spend enormous hours of time there without anybody telling me. But when it comes to the matter of study, we always feel, I feel too tired to study, I feel so boring now, it's very difficult for me to study. Or we keep actually, I can easily study tomorrow, so we keep it postponing it like. That's why very often we found two things. One is our lethargic attitude, and second one is our tendency to procrastinate things. Procrastinate means tendency to postpone. So our lethargic attitude together with our tendency to postpone things are actually the real cause why we are not able to do exactly or really well to our